Hi, welcome to another episode of Interior Design Renovating. So today I'm going to show you this commencement of work or hacking work at this 5-room HDB apartment at Woodlands. Okay, so without further ado, let me just go through what I have proposed. Okay, so once you come in, this is the entrance foyer. The existing cabinet all will be demolished. Okay, all will be removed. The feature wall, the mirror, the ceramic flooring, and then there is actually an open kitchen, so all this will be removed as well, including the flooring. And at the service yard, okay, the louver window will be removed, including this wall. Okay, the flooring all will be removed. And the only wall that is going to be removed is this. Okay, I'm going to do a sliding panel, sliding doors. Over here, this is the study room. It's going to link from the master to this study room. Okay, for the bathroom, okay, it's just overlaying. So we are going to change the color of the tiles. So at the master bedroom, same thing. We're going to change the color of the tiles. Okay, all the fitting will be removed. Okay, so for the master, the wardrobe will be a new one. Okay, so there's a door entrance that links from the master to the study. Okay, so what I propose here is actually at the entrance area, I'm going to create an entrance area, and then there's a divider here. Okay, over at this side here will be the altar area. Okay, the TV still remains there. The kitchen is still an open kitchen, it's just that there will be more storage here with a peninsula counter. Okay, and then it's just one row of the kitchen cabinet.